Our first days with Lucy's beautiful litter. In this video, you can see the very first days of Lucy's precious puppies. She gave birth to 4 beautiful babies, 1 dark little girl, Amy, and 3 light-colored boys in Lucy's lovely color. Amy is especially special because she looks just like her father. From the very beginning, each puppy already has its own tiny personality, and it is so beautiful to watch them grow day by day. Lucy did an amazing job during the birth. Everything went smoothly and without complications, and she handled it all completely on her own like a true natural. We are so proud of her. Since the moment they were born, Lucy has been taking wonderful care of her puppies. She keeps them clean, warm, safe, and close, and she is such a loving and attentive mother. In their first days of life, puppies spend most of their time sleeping, drinking milk, and cuddling together. They are still so tiny and delicate, but at the same time, it is always surprising to see how mobile they already are. Even at this early stage, they wiggle, crawl, search for warmth, and instinctively find their way back to their mother and their siblings. Right after birth, the puppies are cleaned carefully, and very soon after, they begin to drink a lot of milk to grow strong and healthy. You can already see how determined they are when they move toward Lucy to nurse. One of the sweetest things to watch is how they snuggle up together. They sleep in little puppy piles, keeping each other warm and comfortable, always close to one another. These first days are such a special and magical time, and we are so happy to share these beautiful moments with you. Thank you for watching and following Lucy and her little family on the beginning of their journey.